Hi, this is Lisa Saad and welcome back to my Photoshop tutorial series. Let's dive into the Shapes tool in Photoshop, a versatile feature that lets you create shapes, geometric shapes like rectangles, ellipses, triangles, polygons, lines, and custom shapes. To select the Shapes tool, press U on your keyboard. This cycles through the different shapes options. You can also click and hold the Shapes tool icon in the toolbar to see all available shapes. Drawing basic shapes, the rectangle tool. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar or press Shift plus U until it's active. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a rectangle. The shape will have the dimensions of the area you dragged. Hold Shift while dragging to create a perfect square where all sides are equal. You can change the shape's fill color and stroke outline using the options bar at the top. Adjust the stroke thickness, color, and even the dash style to customize your shape further. After drawing, use Ctrl plus T Windows or Command plus T Mac to transform the shape. You can resize, rotate, or skew the shape as needed. To transform the shape, hold Shift. While transforming keeps the aspect ratio of the shape intact, for instance, if you resize a square or a circle, it will remain a perfect square or circle, not turn into a rectangle or oval. When rotating, hold Shift will constrain the rotation to 15-degree increments, allowing for precise 45 or 95. Holding Shift plus Alt in Windows or Shift plus Option in Mac while transforming a shape will resize it proportionally from the center. This means the shape will grow and shrink equally in all directions, keeping the center point in place. Understanding the polygon tool and how to transform shapes with precision opens up a lot of creative possibilities. Whether you're creating something simple like a pentagon or something more complex, these tools give you the control you need. Ellipse tool. Select the ellipse tool from the toolbar. Click and drag an ellipse. The shape, width, and height depend on how you drag. Hold Shift while dragging to create a perfect circle. The triangle tool. Select the triangle tool from the toolbar or press Shift plus U until it's active. Click and drag to draw a triangle. The shape proportions vary based on how you drag. Hold Shift to create an equilateral triangle where all sides are equal. Polygon tool. The polygon tool is great for creating multi-sided shapes, and you can customize the number of sides for specific forms. Here's how it works. Drawing polygons with different side counts. If you select sides to 5, you draw a pentagon, a shape with 5 equal sides. To do this, select the polygon tool, enter 5 in the sides box in the options bar, then click and drag on your canvas to create the shape. Setting the sides to 6 will give you a hexagon, a 6-sided shape often seen in things like honeycomb patterns. Enter 6 in the sides box and drag the canvas to draw a hexagon. The more sides you add, the more the shape will expand. Just enter the number of sides for the shape you want. Line tool. Select the line tool from the toolbar or press Shift plus U until it's active. Click and drag to draw a line. The thickness is controlled in the option bar. Hold Shift to draw a perfectly horizontal, vertical, or 45-degree angled line. Custom Shape tool. Select the Custom Shape tool from the toolbar. Click on the shape thumbnail in the options bar to choose from a library of custom shapes. Hold Shift while dragging to maintain the shape's original proportions. Understanding the polygon tool and how to transform shapes with precision opens up a lot of creative possibilities. Whether you're creating something simple like a pentagon or something more complex, these tools give you the control you need. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips.